Guys, there is a tornado watch here in Illinois. If you guys can see, there's a little bit of thunder out there.
We might be the tornado watch people, into the storm. But I think we're gonna be the drunk guys. Into the tornado.
Did you saw that? I know this is dangerous.
It's fun.
I'll be doing the freaking chilena.
Woo! Drop me lightning. I need a kite.
Can't you see Junior's all crazy right now?
I need a kite right now.
I don't know where did the thunder go, but it's around here somewhere, guys. If you're in North Illinois, this is a dangerous spot you could be right now. There is a tornado watch right now. If you guys could, did you saw that on top of the video? That is lightning right now. This is kind of scary. My friend just left because he was so scared. But did you saw that? That is lightning right there. Oh, did you saw that? There's one right there.
I'm too scared right now.
There goes my brother. I know, guys, this is a dumb idea because lightnings is attracted to technology. I don't know. I learned that from school. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but this is dangerous right now.
Hey, I'm gonna have this with my Call of Duty, my Nintendo.
Playing Call of Duty, Junior.
Shut up. Since I have guns, and you do not.
We could hear thunder right now if you could hear it carefully, but there's some out there. See right there on the top left corner, there's just some. Saw that? There's flashes. If you're seeing this Weather Channel, please put this on your Weather Channel website. And please subscribe and like and comment. See right there? Right there again. Oh my gosh. It's everywhere.
Like the movie of
That plane is gonna get struck by lightning.
If you hear the sound of thunder, don't be too scared. Just grab your thunder buddies and say these magic words. Fuck you, thunder! You can suck my dick.
And then I don't know the rest song because that thing is already old. But Tattoo is coming out. That's good.
Eric came out soon.
I think. See, there's some lightning right there. Some right there. And you see that? Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Alright guys, I'll end the video here. Please subscribe and tell all your friends to subscribe too. Because right now there's an alert right now.